For most of Earth's history, survival belonged to the strong. Speed, claws, fangs, muscle. Humans had none of these. Instead, we evolved something far more powerful, the ability to think ahead. Humans were physically vulnerable. We were slower than predators, weaker than large animals, exposed to the elements. A single mistake could mean death. Yet instead of evolving stronger bodies, humans evolved stronger minds. The human brain began to change. It learned to predict instead of react, to see danger before it arrived, to plan, not just minutes ahead, but days. Intelligence changed survival. It allowed humans to imagine outcomes before acting, where others relied on instinct. Humans relied on strategy, choosing safer paths, saving energy, avoiding unnecessary risks. Over time, planning replaced brute force as the primary tool for survival. Stone tools were not just objects, they were thoughts.
We can set up a snare right here.
Each tool carried memory.
They won't even see it.
Shared knowledge.
If we take this path, it leads to the river.
To do more with less
We
strength.
cross there,
Effort
and then we're on the other side.
Because intelligence had found a way to extend itself. Humans did something unique. They learned together. Knowledge did not disappear. It was passed on. Mistakes became lessons. Lessons became traditions. Survival became culture. The evolution of intelligence was not individual. It was collective. Over time, intelligence reshaped the planet. Humans adapted to deserts, forests, mountains, and frozen lakes. Not through dominance, but through understanding. Strength but intelligence, compound. In the next chapter, we'll explore how memory, language, and imagination push the human mind even further.
It is true then.
Is the evolution of human intelligence.
This is good. Yeah.
I knew you could do it.
Do you understand now?
You have to make sure that the tension is even on both sides, or it will unravel. You've almost got it. Just a little adjustment.
We could use this to hunt smaller prey.
The atlatl provides a significant advantage for hunting large game.
If I dummy in.
These cloaks will keep you warm. We will get through this.
Stay strong, my friends. We are together.
That is our path.
Are you ready?
Yes.
We must follow the river bend, then cross the northern ridge.
The winter storms are coming earlier this year.
These mark each day, each journey. Remember their count.
I understand.
Thank you for this.
Stop! Form up, defensively.
Stay close. Stay calm. We will find our way.
Up now! We have no choice. We must fortify our position before night falls.
Go! Gather all the loose rocks you can find.
Watch out! The pack is moving. Quickly move!
This is how we remember. We draw our stories here.